a chance though. Still gotta get it up out like this. Still be doing what they be doing. But I don't know though. Man, straight to me for the photo, homie. Slow riding, banging out in my trunk full of funk, I ain't never been a punk. I blow on skunk, I blow on doja. Military minded, I'm a screwed up soldier. I just dream to the wrist unfold. Not no jumping, see I still ain't up. I get more to know every day of the year. I pimp my pen and I get my point clear. Body full of when I talk down, I don't know. I gotta take a trip down the Poco from the fold with my Poco on my side when I ride, ready to do another homicide in the pride vibes till I'm gone. Looking for the glory, I make time to catch it just like Robin Horry. If I do a murder, I feel a murder scene. When it's a shortage on the drink, I can't find no lead. From southwest to southeast, bitch, it's about war, not about peace. Like bro, I'm about knocking out teeth. Know what I'm saying? I lose the grill. A nigga coming down in the coupe to be here looking crazy, looking real dull. I'ma be the nigga pulling up at the fucking crossroad with my K on my side. I'm ready to ride, and if I gotta go, it'll be a homicide. Me and I'm turning boy on the way to the Golden Gate. I think a life road can't wait just to make it through another day. I gotta give my big payout, so get the hell out the way when I come around your corner so slow. It'll be the nigga in the damn polo. That's the rap roaring, checkers ain't boring. Why I skip the slab and I went straight to foreign. Sitting like I said it in the old school. Something that'll make me red but you all blue. I come around your corner but I ain't said tripping, but I will. I'm getting with women, I got the calico. I have to let them ready for a know that I come around your corner in a licking photo, a box photo, cause I do it in a play. Then I watch out cause that could be a head. I rhyme so long, rhyme so strong. I flex my bicep then I swung on. Get on the motherfucking bitch, and when the law's at the corner I get the fence. They wonder where I went, but they I don't give a damn like Tyson, I keep looking. Or maybe like Lennox, I'm strong to the finish. I'm like the ghetto Popeye, but don't be spinach. I'm gonna keep it going, keep on flowing just like a knife. Thinking out of mouthpiece every time I smile, look at Zola, nigga ass way. Every time you smile, you can turn it like the day. You can open up the pipe and let the smoke come out. We don't give a damn about a crooked ass cop. Cook it all for some, cook it all for some. Make a nigga wanna put a badge on. My motherfucking drunk, R.I.P. to my motherfucking mother. At the door, they Marine, they can't have you. It's 10 toes better than my motherfucking shoe. I gotta be a man, hope you understand. Thinking about the work at the calico in my hand. On the corner, on the ridge van, and I'm serving the beat. A real live lead boy, and you know what I mean. I be stacking up my shit like Lego. Drunk on a pump just like Kevin Kago. Use it to the rocket, I'm funky like Hermes. I don't give a damn thing that punch a blood quickly. Grinding on the grind, I'ma take a triple greyhound. I'll be flying on the plane, but the work is on the grind. In the late tours, I head into Lafayette. Even up and down the distance, no man ain't finished yet. I gotta make the whole I-10, I sin, then I do it again. I get my ends, I'll never